Good day, people. Once again, it's a beautiful day today. I've got mamas here. Mamas, relax your body and make sure everything is right. Don't forget to tell us where you're watching the video, and I hope you guys you are doing well. All right, and also don't forget your intersections, right, and all those things. It's very important. Relax your shoulders. Nice one. Relax your body. Don't fight. Okay. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. You are allowed to do that during the test. Do it. Yes. Sit properly. Don't do as if you are running away from your steering. And be quick on the intersection. Yes. All right. Yes. Now time for change. Okay. No need. Right. Relax. Remember, I said when you are stopping, you look in the mirror. Okay. Yes. Nice ones. Little bit brakes. Yes. Yes. And clash before the line.
Clash before the line.
Okay. Don't look down. Don't, your eyes is not needed there.
Okay. Clash in.
What else?
Clear everything.
Okay.
Clash in. Gear number 1.
All right.
Balance the car.
Okay. And the car is balanced. We can do as a full observation,
Full
please.
observation. Blind spot. Mirror. 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 Blind spot.
Right. Look in front for you. As soon as it changes, full observation quickly.
Mirror. 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 Blind spot. Mirror. Mirror. Mirror.
And let's go. Right. Accelerate more if you can.
Yes.
Don't look down.
Yes.
When you hear the sound, you must be very quick
Yes.
to deal with the
Gear
sound.
number 2.
That's number 4. That's not number 2. Be quick. Relax your body, because if your body is not relaxed, it's very easy to miss the gear. You see that?
Yes.
Look how smooth it was.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's go.
Okay.
So, did you notice something now? That if your body is hard,
Yes.
it's even hard for you to put gear number